Hello, and welcome to 1976. It was in 1976 that National Semiconductor released their Simple Cost-Effective Microprocessor, or the SCMP. At the same time, they made available their low-cost development system, the LCDS, and it was really aimed at businesses that were looking to learn how to develop processor-based products. I recently acquired an LCDS that came with a processor card, and I've added to that a memory module which is hosting Kitbug Plus. This is an updated version of Kitbug, the SCMP monitor, and has been developed by Phil G of the Vintage Radio Repair Forums. So in this video I'm going to be using the LCDS to demonstrate a digital clock running under Kitbug Plus. The only user interface into Kitbug is a serial terminal. Originally that would have been a teletype, but I'm using RS-232. So here's the LCDS powered on. It defaults to address 001, which happens to be the start address for Kitbug as well. So if I hit run on the LCDS, Kitbug will execute. So the first thing to do is to send the digital clock executable to Kitbug Plus. In this case, it's stored at address 800. Okay, so that's loaded. Reset Kitbug. Next thing I need to do is to modify the time. So at address F00, we're going to set the hours to 23. And at address F01, set the minutes to 59. The start address for the clock is 860. So enter G860 and press return. And there we have a scrolling digital clock. The update interval is at 2 seconds because it takes that long to send the serial stream of characters to the terminal. However, Phil G took a look at this running and immediately modified the code to produce a much more authentic 1976 era digital clock. And there you have it. And so, with the clock rolling over to midnight, that just leaves me to wish you all good night.